How long have you guys been together? How many years or how many months?
Oh, we've been in a relationship for 3 years.
For 3 years.
Almost 3 years, yeah.
Okay. And then, when last did you see your partner?
I was with her a couple of minutes.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's nice. She slept over.
Sorry?
She slept over.
Yeah.
Okay. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
She's dark-skinned.
Okay. What is her name?
Sinelo 609.
Yeah?
Sinelo.
Sinelo.
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yes.
Uqeda uthi ubani iphakna yakho?
Usinelo.
Sinelo ngiqala niba ngisinelo ngoku. Yesipho.
Umuntu wami usinelo.
Oh so mina ndintoni mina kuwe xa umuntu wakho ngisinelo.
Ungubani kanti wena?
Awundani noba ndingubani.
Yo,
Awuva
yo, yo,
you can't
yo.
even recognize my voice. Awundazi.
Ungubani?
So
Yo,
umuntu
yo.
ojola naye ngisinelo kuphela.
Usinelo umuntu wami engajola naye 3 years.
Yo,
Hectic.
Sipho undazi namhlanje.
Andukwazi.
After all the sacrifice.
Ungubani ufuna ungicelela igama lakho musi?
Why manje ndikuxolela igama lam? Awuva nevoice yami ukuthi ndingubani?
Andukuva.
Ndingithanda undazi Sipho. Awundazi today after ndikufunela nomsebenzi awundazi namhlanje. Awundazi.
Ndikwazi wakuphi?
Hayi
Wow.
shem. Hayi.
So, akakwazi, and we've been dating for 1 year. But he's
1 year 6 months.
But
and
he's saying
he's saying 3
3
years.
That
Just
means-
imagine.
That means you have been a side chick for 1 year 6 months. Yo. That's
And
a lot.
wesintu uthakandazi after ndimfunela umsebenzi yasebenza
Umfunela
namhlanje because of
umsebenzi.
me. Mari uthakandazi wazi usinelo. Yini usinelo kuwe?
Yo.
Ndintoni mina kuqala ndintoni mina kuwe?
Ndingeva kahle. Bengayibekanga kahle baby.
Hawu.
Ngiyaxolisa.
So uyaxolisa manje.
So uyandazi ngoku, so uyandazi.
Bendingakuva kahle yazi.
Wow.
Kodwa ngishintsha lapho uthi ngijola ndo Sipho.
Ya.
Also ubani lo sine? Ask who's this girl?
Ngubani
For 3 years.
usinelo? So ngubani usinelo we3 years?
Usinelo yilo mngani wami man.
Mngani wakho.
Umngane wakho utshola naye for 3 years. So utshola nomngane wakho for 3 years.
No, like besabangani for 3 years.